Looking to advertise your business or product locally and truly reach your customers within our community? You found the perfect partner. We're Over Yonder, and we're passionate about supporting independent local small business owners and our fellow residents, our neighbors. It's a well-known fact that the national direct mail advertising, clip and save mags and envelope companies, and we're mentioning no names here, rarely hit the ideal target areas where we conduct business, live, work, shop, or attend school. Those other guys dropping 100,000 plus mailings may sound good on paper, but ask yourself this: is a customer 20 miles away going to benefit your business? Probably not. These mass mailing ad mails base their results on eyeballs, which is an antiquated and ambiguous form of ROI. Fact. Over Yonder is a locally owned B2B support system specializing in new and improved direct mail methodology, reaching 45,000 residents and neighbors within our community of Mecklenburg County, only serving Cornelius, Davidson, and Huntersville. We believe in quality over quantity. This enables you to advertise your business directly to the truly local consumer, which is especially handy if your business provides delivery options. This is not only where Over Yonder shines. Sure, direct mail print ads are the fundamental core of our business process. Our pages are filled with advertisal-style ads. Explain your product or service, introduce your team, and more. Exposing your company to the community through informative ads. Couple that with our innovative and interactive mobile technology. Because we believe in factual data to solidify your investment. The integration of mobile short code we mentioned earlier, which is available with every ad. What does that mean exactly? It means we can prove quantifiable ROI for your advertising spend by data-driven, lead-generating software, capturing the customer's information, coupled with your print ad and providing you with real data, real customer leads in real time. Included with your ad spend, you get a consulting partner with 20+ years experience, offering marketing solutions, review best business practices, identify areas for potential cost reduction, or just to bounce ideas off of. Bottom line, we aren't looking to fill a book with ad sales, print them, mass mail them, and repeat. Yep, like those other guys again, you know the ones. Our pricing packages are extremely competitive, and we provide great discounts on bundling options as well as extended terms. Simply check out our website to learn more and schedule an appointment today. We save the best for last. A portion of all revenue generated by Over Yonder is given back to local charities right here in our community. This is by far the most important aspect of our core values. #LoveOurTown. Over Yonder. Embrace community. Live here. Shop here.